I believe that human lives must be protected via the advances in medical biotech. I'm certain that human body disease and disability and damage cure drug design and manufacturing biotech, human longevity biotech, human body manufacturing and replacement biotech, human genetic engineering biotech, and neurotech will do wonders and marvels for humankind. I work on developing and commercializing human brain manufacturing and replacement biotech with a multi-decade commitment for curing human brain diseases, disabilities, and damages, such as Alzheimer's disease cure, Parkinson's disease cure, auto accident to human brain damage cure, and gun violence victim brain damage cure. A quick advertisement before I continue on this topic. You can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. I have a multi-decade commitment to advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. To learn more about my cause, check out my books, which are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, and other online audiobook retailers. Now back to the main content. If and when the human brain manufacturing and replacement biotech become realized, biotechnological human immortality will be achieved because creating and replacing human body parts, including the human brain and the entire human bodies, will become possible. One requirement in enabling the human brain manufacturing biotech is that there must be a 3D microscopic and perhaps even nanoscopic scanner biotech that can read and record the entire human brain content down to the cellular, subcellular, molecular, atomic, and subatomic levels so that the human brain memory can be read and replicated in newly manufactured human brains so that the newly manufactured human brains have the exact same memory content as the original or source human brains. It remains to be seen whether a biotech that can read and record the entire human brain content and memory can be invented and commercialized. My hunch is that it will become possible, so I pursue it. I envision and pursue a number of biotechnologies for enabling the human brain manufacturing and replacement biotech, such as a microscopic human brain 3D scanner biotech, human brain biochemical composition analyzer and determiner biotech, human brain Q-mapping biotech, human brain content and structure designer biotech, human brain synthesizer biotech, and human brain replacer biotech. I keep on pursuing my plan for developing and commercializing my human brain manufacturing and replacement biotech and see what happens. You can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. My books on advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, Google Play Store, and other online audiobook retailers. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American man who focuses on advancing AI, robotics, human longevity biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. Message me or call me anytime on the social media if you'd like to discuss investing in my high-tech startup.